last month I did an exercise on how to swivel. So those who watched it may want to learn a tune which involves quite a bit of swiveling. So I learnt this tune off YouTube, off Panayotis Aslanidis, who is a very good Lyra player, and I like the sound of it. So the first part and the third part of this tune has a lot of swiveling, the second part not so much, but I'll quickly go through the tune. And it continues on. So I kind of like this tune, and it got me into the swiveling. And this is a good way of practicing the swivel. So basically, the main swivel is going forward, coming back with your third finger only on the middle chord. But you'll be swiveling. First, you'll be playing the zil side, and then you'll be coming over, dropping the third finger, and playing the gapan side. So really, if you want to just practice this, forward and back, and then the last bit is dropping the first finger on the gapan side, the middle and the gapan chord. So that's no fingers, and then dropping the first finger. And then there's a bit of a treble as well. Now the second bit is just only playing the zil chord. I'm only playing the zil with the bow. I think it sounds clearer. You can try the middle chord and playing it together with the middle if you like. Actually, it does sound better with playing with the middle, but whatever you prefer. Now the last bit is, they're all double chorded, so first finger on two chords, second finger on two. Swivel on the other side, and the same thing. And I'll put the link to the swivel lesson in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll do a quick video of this same tune with showing you the bow, the hand movement of the bow, because some people are asking to show videos of both. It's hard to put both in the one frame. So I start forward, and that's pretty much just back and forward, no jumping of the bow. That's the same, just keep going back and forward. So now I jump here. You notice I finish forward and then I come back and go forward. So I lift the bow up on the backward and come forward. It's more comfortable for me doing it that way, so I'll do that again. Now here, So I lifted it, you'll notice, and I came back, and then dropped it and went forward. Whoops. Finishing back, so which allows you to come forward on the next bit. And come back and start forward again. Back. Back and then forward. Same thing on the other side. Come back without the bow on the strings, and then come forward. And the same thing here. And now again. So whenever you're finishing forward and you want the next bit to start forward, just lift the bow up and come forward. But it's up to you, whatever you're more comfortable with. That's what's comfortable for me.